This is the fun part, guys. We are going to use the Pleats tool to create pleat for the skirt. Okay, so first we will use this Pleats Fold tool over here. So come over here to this Pleats tool in this 2D window and hover the mouse to the right. And we want to select Pleats Fold. Okay. Next, I'm going to click one right here on this edge, hover the mouse to the right, and we want to click it twice to bring this Pleats Fold window, and I'm going to drag it to the left a little bit. After that, I want to check this box pleats right there. And we want to change number of internal lines per pleat to 3. Just like that. Fold angle 0 to 360, perfect. Outfold 0. Inside fold, we want it 360, that's perfect. Next, I'm going to click on OK. After that, we are going to use the pleat sewing tool to sew the pleat. To do so, once again, click on that pleats tool right there, hover the mouse to the right and select pleats sewing. We will begin a sewing from left to right onto this waistband, and then just click one to place the sewing. Click once again to end that sewing. Then I'm going to click one down here on this pleated skirt and hover the mouse to the right until I hit the end right here. Not all the way down here, just up here. Then click once again to end the sewing. After that, I'm going to switch my tool to transform pattern tool over here so we get to see this pattern better. And now I'm going to marquee select both of the pattern pieces and then right click, and we want to select symmetric pattern with sewing. Now I'm going to just hover the mouse to the right over here, and then I want to click one to place that patterns. Alright, it looks pretty good, guys. So after that, I'm going to kind of zoom in a little. I want to create a zipper notch right here. Okay, to create a zipper notch, I'm going to come over here to this notch tool in the 2D window, click on it to select. Then just hover the mouse. You see this red point appear. Right click. And if we look at closely, we see this yellow line versus blue line. We want to create the notches 15 centimeter from the top down. So we are going to type the value into this yellow box. So 15. So after that, I'm going to click on OK to confirm. Since the patterns are linked together, we only need to create a notch on one side and effects for both sides of the skirt.